room amenity box or chocolate box from Chocolate World Company, which is very nice. It helps you to make amazing chocolate box you give to your passenger, your guest, name it, even your friends. Box made by chocolate, feel by chocolate. Let's start. 200 gram cacao butter in medium heat. We stir all the time because if the cocoa butter over 50, it will spoil. So when I have 2/3 of the quantity melt, I remove from the stove. I keep stirring until all dissolve. Normally it will reach 45-48 degree, which is so good to add it 20 gram of blue color. You can add it blue color, green color, whatever color you have. You must have 20 gram for 200 gram cacao butter. Then you blend it with hand blender very well. Minimum 3 minutes until all emulsify. Then we spray with the spray gun and make sure the spray gun is 8 millimeter. Some of chefs, they think this is the same spray gun which use it in pastry, but in pastry it's 2.5 to 3 millimeter, which cannot spray the cocoa butter. So I can give 1 or 2 or even 4 layer until I satisfied with the blue color I have. After that, I tempering white chocolate, and we know how to tempering chocolate. I have already 3 videos in the channel how to make tempering chocolate with 3 methods. Now we fill 1 box, which is the bigger, and we have to shake it to take all bubbles out and keep it from 50 to 70 seconds. Then we turn over, we remove all the chocolate. Then we tempering the chocolate again. And when I have 29, we fill the other half of the mold. 29. I tempering white chocolate 29, milk chocolate 30, dark chocolate 31, which is very good to use it in any mold. I keep it again for 70 seconds in room temperature, not above 22 centigrade or Celsius. And then we strain all. I keep it in the fridge from 15 to 20 minutes, and I have the most beautiful blue box from Chocolate World Company, and it is lifetime expire. So let me know in the comment below if you need any kind of this praline inside the box. I will make it special for you. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmed Younes.